Good morning to all TY Civil students. We have started previously the unit that is chapter number 1 from WRE, the subject WRE, Water Resources Engineering. In that previous part, we have taken what is irrigation, definition of irrigation, next what is hydrology, next advantages of irrigation, disadvantages of irrigation, then necessity of irrigation. These part we have seen previously. From today we will start or we will see the next part, that is types of irrigation or methods of irrigation. See here, irrigation. There are two types of irrigation. One, flow irrigation, second, lift irrigation. In flow irrigation, there are also two types. One, perennial irrigation, second, inundation irrigation. Then we will see what is the meaning of each term one by one. Flow irrigation. One, flow irrigation. In flow irrigation, water flows on the surface of land under gravity. That is, the flow of water is on the land, on the surface of land due to gravitational force or due to gravity. Okay? Second, perennial irrigation. Perennial, the meaning of this term perennial means yearly, varshik, varsha, purna varshabhar. Purna varshabhar. Here, see here what is perennial irrigation. Here, water is stored in rivers or streams by constructing weirs or barrages or dams across rivers. Then the stored water is supplied to the crops as per the requirement of the crops throughout the year. This is the meaning or definition of the perennial irrigation. That is, the irrigation is throughout the year by storing water in rivers or streams. Next, inundation irrigation. What is the meaning of this inundation irrigation? Here, canals are drawn from banks of rivers or streams. In rainy seasons, the water levels in rivers or streams rises and the water enters automatically into the canals drawn full stop. Then the water from canals is used for the irrigation. This is the inundation irrigation. Next, lift irrigation. The underground water is the main source of the water in this lift irrigation. Which are the main source? Wells, tube wells. Also, river water is used for this lift irrigation system. See here, here water is lifted from wells, tube wells or rivers or lakes by means of pumps and supplied for irrigation at nearby agricultural area. Okay, this is the meaning of lift irrigation. Okay.